Yeah, we're having a thunderstorm. Big B, I don't know how you do this every time we have a thunderstorm. You can't even jump up there, yet you're up there. Big B. And you never meow. Big B. I know, you're too scared to jump down. What are you going to do? Big B? Oh boy. Why do we have to have drama? You're not scared, are you? Hi, Rose. Big B, you're really scared. Don't be scared. B. Are you frightened? Are you? Poor B. Maybe breakfast will help. Will breakfast help? Here goes Guinness. And Ed. And there's the tri-cat. You guys don't like thunderstorms, that's for sure, do you? It's going to be okay, guys. Ursula will protect you.